If you want 2025 to be your best year as a freelancer, then watch this. Have you noticed how freelancing is becoming the new gold rush? The opportunities are massive, but let me tell you a secret. Most freelancers are completely unprepared for what's coming in 2025. The game is changing, and if you don't keep up, you're going to be left behind. In today's video, I'm going to reveal the top 10 freelancing skills that will dominate 2025. These skills are not just trends, they are the foundation of high-earning freelance career. Here's the best part. I'm giving away my free Upwork proposal guide packed with strategies and templates to help you land clients faster. Just check the pinned comment or description and download it for free. Now let's jump in. Freelancing is evolving, and if you have been wondering how some freelancers are making six figures while others are struggling to find gigs, it's come down to one thing: mastering the right skills. The skills I'm about to share will make you irresistible to clients and help you stand out in the crowded market. Number 1, artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI is not just the future, it's happening right now. Businesses across the industry are looking for freelancers who can create intelligent solutions that automate processes, analyze data, and improve efficiency. Some of the most in-demand areas include natural language processing, predictive analytics, AI chatbots, and deep learning models. Freelancers with expertise in AI are thriving in the industry like healthcare, marketing, and tech. Number 2, web development and design. Web development and design continue to be the backbone of online businesses. Companies need websites that are fast, user-friendly, and visually appealing. If you want to stay ahead in this field, focus on mastering front-end frameworks like React.js or Vue.js, back-end languages like Node.js or Python, and full-stack development. Creative freelancers who combine technical skills with great design are highly sought after. Number 3, content writing and copywriting. Content is still king, and businesses need writers who can deliver engaging and persuasive material that drives results. Freelancers who specialize in SEO-friendly blogs, product descriptions, and email campaigns are in high demand. If you love storytelling and can adapt to different platforms, this is your time to shine. Number 4, digital marketing and SEO. Companies are investing more than ever in their online presence, and digital marketers are their go-to experts. Freelancers who can help clients rank higher on search engine or run high-performing ad campaigns are some of the highest earners. Key skills to focus on include search engine optimization, social media marketing, pay-per-click advertising, and email automation. Number 5, video editing and animation. Video content dominates every platform, and businesses need skilled editors and animators to create compelling visuals. From YouTube videos to TikToks, there is no shortage of opportunities. If you are experienced in motion graphics, 2D or 3D animation, or tools like Adobe Premiere Pro, this niche can be incredibly lucrative. Number 6, app development. Mobile apps are everywhere, and businesses want to meet their customers wherever they are. Freelancers who build apps for Android or iOS, or even specialize in AR and VR apps, are among the most in-demand professionals. The rise of apps in e-commerce, education, and healthcare ensures that this skill remains at the top choice for freelancers. Number 7, data analysis and visualization. Data drives decision-making, but businesses need freelancers to make sense of it. If you can analyze data and present it visually, then you are solving a critical problem for companies. Master tools like Tableau, Power BI, and Python for data analytics and tap into the growing market. Number 8, cybersecurity. With increasing cyber threats, cybersecurity is no longer optional. Companies are willing to pay top dollar for freelancers who can secure their system and protect sensitive information. Focus on skills like ethical hacking, cloud security, and risk assessment. Certifications like CEH or CISSP can boost your credibility even further. Number 9, e-commerce development. The e-commerce industry is booming, and businesses need developers to set up and optimize their online stores. Whether you are working with Shopify, WooCommerce, or customer-built platforms, there is plenty of work available. Freelancers who specialize in UX design for e-commerce and payment gateway integration are especially valuable. Number 10, virtual assistant. Virtual assistants are the unsung heroes of remote work. The role has expanded far beyond basic administrative tasks. Businesses now rely on virtual assistants for customer service, social media management, and project coordination. If you are highly organized and tech-savvy, this could be the entry into freelancing. Here is the truth. You don't need to master all 10 skills to succeed. Start with one that excites you, build expertise, and then expand from there. And don't forget, I have free Upwork proposal guide waiting for you. It is designed to help you land clients quickly and take your freelancing to the next level. Check out the link in the pinned comment or description to download it. Now you tell me in the comments which skill are you most excited about. Your freelancing journey starts here. Let's make 2025 your most profitable year. Until next time, be freelantastic.